What if the ultimate adventure machine was not built to escape civilization, but to make civilization irrelevant wherever you go? Imagine driving beyond paved roads, beyond crowded campsites, and beyond the places ordinary SUVs dare to reach. This is not about speed alone. It is about freedom without limits. Welcome back to Jack Motorlux, because today we are exploring the 2027 Toyota BLACKFORTRESS 6x6, a machine that feels less like a vehicle and more like a moving stronghold built for people who refuse to stay inside boundaries. This truck matters because it answers a growing desire that many people secretly have. People want capability without compromise. They want comfort without weakness. They want a vehicle that can survive difficult environments while still feeling premium every single day. The BLACKFORTRESS 6x6 transforms those ideas into one bold statement. It is built for explorers, creators, and anyone who believes the best destinations are still hidden from the world. One look at this machine, and its personality becomes obvious. The front end is tall, intimidating, and purposeful. Massive LED light bars stretch across a wide grille, while reinforced bumpers suggest this truck was designed to confront obstacles instead of avoiding them. The hood sits high and muscular, giving the entire body a commanding posture. Along the sides, extended fender arches wrap around 6 oversized all-terrain wheels, instantly reminding everyone that this is no ordinary pickup. Strong body lines flow toward the rear, where integrated storage compartments and expedition equipment create a sense of readiness. Even the roof carries utility rails and auxiliary lighting designed for remote environments. Every angle communicates confidence. Every surface feels intentional. Parked or moving, the BLACKFORTRESS 6x6 looks alive, like a giant mechanical guardian waiting for its next mission. But here is where the story gets interesting. Step inside and the atmosphere changes completely. Suddenly, all that exterior aggression gives way to a refined sanctuary designed for long journeys. Premium leather seats with dark charcoal tones and bronze accents create a luxurious environment without feeling overly delicate. Soft ambient lighting wraps around the cabin, while open-pore materials add warmth and texture. The dashboard combines rugged simplicity with modern technology. A large curved display manages navigation, terrain systems, and vehicle diagnostics in one clean interface. Physical buttons remain available because adventure vehicles need reliability over unnecessary complexity. The seats are supportive enough for long-distance travel, and rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and charging ports throughout the cabin. Noise insulation keeps the world outside at a distance, creating a calm environment even when the terrain becomes unpredictable. Every element serves a purpose. Every technology feature exists to reduce stress and increase confidence. And that is only the beginning, because the real personality of this machine appears once it starts moving. This is where the story truly begins. Under the hood, the 2027 Toyota BLACKFORTRESS 6x6 could realistically use a twin-turbocharged hybrid V6, producing around 500 horsepower and massive low-end torque. That matters because torque is the force that helps heavy vehicles climb difficult terrain with ease. Power travels through a sophisticated 6-wheel drive system connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission. In simple terms, this truck is constantly adjusting its grip to maintain control. Deep sand, snow, mud, or rocky trails become challenges instead of barriers. Multiple terrain modes allow drivers to optimize performance with a single adjustment. Air suspension can raise the body for rough conditions or lower it for highway comfort. Despite its size, steering remains surprisingly precise. It never feels nervous. It feels planted, secure, and unstoppable. Instead of encouraging reckless driving, the BLACKFORTRESS encourages confidence. It reminds you that true capability is not loud. It is calm, controlled, and always prepared. Then there are the features that separate this truck from everything else. The first is its intelligent expedition management system that monitors weather conditions, terrain data, and remaining resources. The second is a modular cargo platform that allows owners to customize storage for camping, photography, or overlanding equipment. Third, onboard energy outlets can power external devices for extended adventures. Finally, Emergency satellite communication systems provide reassurance when traditional networks disappear entirely. Of course, greatness always comes with trade-offs. This is a large machine. Urban parking will require patience. Fuel efficiency will never match smaller vehicles, even with hybrid assistance. Pricing would likely place it in premium territory. But none of these realities feel unreasonable because this truck was never built for ordinary expectations. It was built for extraordinary experiences. There is another reason this concept feels special. Most extreme vehicles force owners to choose between everyday usability and dream-level capability. The BLACKFORTRESS tries to erase that compromise entirely. You could drive it through a modern city during the week and disappear into untouched landscapes on the weekend without changing a single part of your routine. That flexibility gives the truck a unique identity. It is not pretending to be a military machine, and it is not trying to become a luxury limousine. Instead, it sits in a category of its own, somewhere between a premium flagship SUV and a professional expedition platform. That balance could become one of Toyota's most important strengths in the future. People are no longer searching for machines that only impress their neighbors. They are searching for machines that improve their lives and encourage new experiences. The BLACKFORTRESS understands that shift perfectly. It rewards curiosity, it rewards ambition, it rewards the desire to explore places that still feel untouched. And perhaps that emotional connection is exactly why a vehicle like this would attract so much attention around the world. Even the name BLACKFORTRESS feels deliberate. It suggests protection, resilience, and the confidence to travel without fear. In an era where many vehicles are becoming softer and more anonymous, this concept proudly celebrates mechanical strength. It reminds us that adventure is not disappearing. It is simply evolving into something smarter, safer, and far more luxurious. For many enthusiasts, that combination alone would be enough to make this truck unforgettable forever and truly iconic. Ultimately, the 2027 Toyota BLACKFORTRESS 6x6 represents a different way of thinking about travel. It is for people who see roads as suggestions instead of limitations. It is for those who want luxury without surrendering toughness. Imagine watching a sunrise in a place where nobody else can reach, knowing your vehicle carried you there without hesitation. That feeling is impossible to measure with specifications alone. Some machines transport people. Others expand possibilities. The BLACKFORTRESS does something even bigger. It changes the scale of your world. And perhaps that is its greatest achievement, because the true luxury of the future may not be owning more things, but gaining access to more experiences. Sometimes, the most powerful vehicle is not the one that takes you farther, but the one that makes the entire planet feel closer. If this fortress on wheels were real, where would your first expedition take you? Subscribe to Jack Motorlux for more incredible machines that turn impossible ideas into unforgettable adventures.